Wishing you all a pleasant day. My name is Fizra Bagwan.
My name is Jeevan MK.
My name is Anushka Desai.
And we are from KLE School, Manjunath Nagar, Hubballi. So we have made an app which is named as Aeroscope Weather App, which gives you endless ways how to protect the planet. So it is actually your smart environmental companion. Starting from the first one, it is weather analytics. So in this weather analytics, it gives you hyperlocal weather updates right where you are. If you want to see temperature, humidity, UV levels, AQI, what to wear recommendations, carbon footprint, anything, this is your app. So if you even want to calculate the carbon footprint or air quality with live data maps. The next one is chatbot. In this chatbot, you can ask anything about the environment. So if you have any doubts like what is smog, what is fog, or how does smog or fog affect our life, so you can enter any question to the chatbot and it gives you instant answers. It also has a smart scanner where you can scan any images and it analyzes that images and gives you the result. It will also give you smart tips. It will also give you eco advice and easy tips to live greener every day. The next one is EcoScan. In this EcoScan, if you point any camera at the item and you are going to scan that object, it will give you eco-friendly suggestions like better alternatives or proper disposal methods. If you are disposing any plastic cup, it will say you which dustbin to use to dispose plastic cups. So it is Eco Crime Scene AI. As you saw in this video, it was showing something called as marine risk. So over here, if you upload any image or scan any picture or any area which is filled with garbage or smoke or something, it gives you instant AI developed ideas on how it is being polluted and how it is affecting the environment. And the next one is Eco Karma. So if you are saving the earth or helping the earth in any way, like planting the trees, your score adds up in this Eco Karma. Meanwhile, in the other scenario, if you harm the environment, such as cutting the trees, burning down the trees, or using vehicles which pollute the environment more, your score reduces. The next one is biodegradable or not. So if you want to know any object if it is biodegradable or non-biodegradable, you just have to scan that object and know if it is biodegradable or non-biodegradable. And as you know, there are many confusions as we think that some objects are biodegradable, but in reality they are not. So you can enter any item in this AI and it gives you if it is biodegradable or non-biodegradable. The next one is AgroSustain. So if you love to garden or you want to farm or you are a farmer, you can input the farm details like farm size, fertilizers or pesticides you use, from which area you are, which tractor do you use, or current weather or the area you are living in. So if you take the India's north, you will find Kashmir, Delhi, and over there it will give you suggestions on what type of crops should you grow. If you are talking about the south like Karnataka, Kerala, it gives you ideas which types of plants to grow or which types of plants to grow in which particular soil. It will also calculate the environmental impact and it will also give you the water wasted or in that cropping. Some of the additional features of Aeroscope Weather app is AI mode. So in this AI mode, it is powered by LLM and Claude the AI 3.4 Haiku. So it gives you more detailed information about any question you ask. It is just same as chatbot, but it is more high level recommendation. If you want to ask about smog, it gives you the entire detailed information about smog. About route service, if you are traveling from any place to any place, for example Hubli to Bangalore, it will give you the route from Hubli to Bangalore as well as which type of vehicle you are going to use and how it is going to affect the environment. Then the third one is donation. If you want to donate to clean the rivers or help poor people or help animals to save their life, plants, etc., this donation you can give money over here to the Gmail and this donation works out. Thank you. This is presented by Team Cyber Knights, Fizra Bagwan, Jeevan K and Anushka Desai. Thank you for listening.